This is Gautam. Today I am share some job update with you. Before that, please like this video, share this video with your friend, and subscribe my channel. And if you need job update, please join my Telegram group. And this link I will paste in description box. Please join me. Our first job from technical project manager BI. This is for Kolkata location and salary is 15 LPA to 25 LPA per year, and this is full-time opportunity and fixed morning shift, and this is job detail and all. And how to apply this job, you have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. uh my next job is data analyst trainee. This is for remote location and salary is here 9 LPA per year, and this is full-time opportunity and 2 year of experience needed. And how to apply this job, you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is business analyst for work from home location, means remote location, and salary is 6 LPA to 8 LPA per year, and this is full-time opportunity and all. And this is your job description. Experience must need 1 to 3 year of experience. And how to apply this job, you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst, a stock market. In a stock market, this is for Mumbai, Maharashtra location, and salary is 8 LPA to 12 LPA per year. And this is also full-time opportunity. And this is all about your job description: data visualization engineer and data analyst. And a skill must need SQL, Python, Unix, and data visualization, Python, and all. And how to apply this job, you have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Mumbai, Maharashtra location, and salary is 25K to 30K per month. And this is full-time opportunity and day shift. And this is your job description, like DAX queries, Power BI extraction, joining data managers and data analytics, and all. And how to apply this job, you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is for business analyst. This is for Hyderabad, Telangana location, and salary is 2 2.7 lakh 2.7 lakh to 13 lakh per year. And how to apply this job, you have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Before that, qualification is bachelor's and Microsoft 4 year of experience and all. And this is your job description: minimum 2 to 3 year of experience must need. And how to apply this job, you have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is business analyst for Bengaluru location, and this is hiring for this is and salary is 3 point approx 4 LPA per year per year. Wait, yeah, per year. And how to apply this job, you have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is business intelligence manager. This is for remote location and salary is 12 LPA per year, and this is full-time opportunity and experience in SQL must need. And how to apply now, you simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Mumbai, Maharashtra location, and salary is 4 LPA per year. And qualification need bachelor degree, total work experience need 2 to 3 year of experience. And this is your job description, like OEE and OITC and all. And how to apply this job, you have simply click apply now and you fill the detail. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Thank you everyone. Please subscribe this channel, share this video with your friend. Thank you everyone.